Video game sound effects are made using some of the craziest stuff. In Destiny 2, their sound designer used a breast pump for one of their effects, and a League of Legends sound designer created this contraption to replicate the sound of creaking wood. But other sounds are made using items that are much more dangerous. For instance, I created a fire spell effect using the sounds of a flamethrower. I used the long breathy fire for the lead up and for the tail of the spell, and a strong quick burst for the impact. And here's how it turned out.